Welcome everybody back to the channel. This is Diego Techie Life, and today we have our Vevor jackhammer. This was purchased from Amazon. I will post a link in the description of in the video once you're done looking at it. So let me look at the specs here. Vevor jackhammer. Alright, cool. We're looking at it right now. So this is this one right here, and this is the 2200 watt jackhammer, and we're about to open it here, see what it comes up with. So let's get to it. It's pretty heavy, by the way, so got a little case here. I don't know if it has any handles, but I guess we'll find out. Looks like it's got some wheels here though. Okay, and it does have a handle. Jesus. Hold on. Alright, so we pulled it out here. It's got a little handle here, and inside we have some sort of accessories here or something. It's got some weight. Put it up here real quick. This is a shovel attachment. This will be the one I would probably use. Very nice. It's pretty big too. This is the size of my hand here. So it's got some weight there. Let's put this aside here. Anyways, let's see how this thing opens here. Just lay it down. Oh yeah. So there we have it. Got some instructions, some gloves, cause why not? N95 mask with a little breathing hole, I guess. Sure, why not? Got some bit attachments here, some smash goggles, because why not? I suppose this is for your grease. Sorry guys. Alright, this is our chisel attachment. This is another chisel attachment, but this one's a little bit bigger, a little bit wider. And then we have our little hole. Just let's crack open this. Yep, that's how you open it. This is a pretty nice one. Jesus, this thing's heavy. We have our unit here. It's got some pretty good weight here. Probably a good 15-20 pounds here. So looks pretty cool. Go ahead and take this apart here. Alright, so it also has some tools here. I'm assuming to disassemble for maintenance here. And then we have two brushes here. I'm assuming that it goes in the motor brush. Alright, so looks like we have a trigger here and a lock trigger here. So I push it down, lock it. So I don't know if I'll use that. Seems a little unsafe, but cool. And this is an aluminum body. I mean, it's pretty solid there. Let's see if it's steel. Hold on. Alright, so I got my magnet here. Let's see if it's steel. And it is not steel. Cool. This is not steel as well. But, I mean, it's pretty good. Steel bits, of course. Got some steel here. but for the most part, the body has been made aluminum, I guess, so it won't be as heavy for the user. So let's give it a try. Alright guys, so we're gonna make a little hole here just to kind of examine how good this is. And so I got my unit already plugged in with the 120 source flow, and I think I'm gonna use just the little, I don't know, the little regular bit, I guess. And I'm assuming it goes something like this. Here it is. Okay. Alright, so there's a little turning mechanism here. Put down like here, turn it once. It should stay there now. So once we got that, we're ready to roll here. So I got gloves because, of course, you always want to be safe. And I think I'm gonna wrap this around my back here. Let's give it a shot here. See? All right. Not too sure if it's engaging or not. Here, let me verify this again. Might not be doing this right. So let's see here. Alright, should be right here. Let's try that out. Oh yeah. It's a little hard to get it out now. Let's see if we can get it out. I feel like we're stuck here. Let's see here. Jesus. So that thing went down pretty fast. Cool, right? I mean, it's expected. That's good. Let's go ahead and switch over to the chisel one. Or let's do the shovel. Because this has dirt. And why not? Make sure it's locked in place here. And it is. See if we can shovel this thing out of here. Cord going all over the place. Got some roots here. As you can see, I don't have look, we have a big old root there. I don't have a soft ground here, so it's working good so far. Wow. I mean, it weighs a lot, but man, this thing just did a pretty big hole. Let me see if I can go a little more. out, guys. Let me show you here. Woo. Let me show you. All right, let me show you the hole here. So here it is, and let me show, just so you can give you a good perception here. Here's the bit that it comes with, right? We're pretty much almost there. So this means that this probably goes a good, this is probably what, 8 or 9 inches deep. So I'm trying to make some new posts so I can redo my fence there. And this thing so far is handling pretty well. I can fit my whole hand in there. And this isn't really soft ground. I mean, we have some some rock there, hard rock, that it becomes very hard. And when I planted this, I was using a it's called a San Angelo bar, and it's basically a 1.5 bar thick with one of these on one side and then a chisel on the other side. So there you go, there you have it, guys. The Vevor is pretty good at making holes, and this is in Texas ground, so this is pretty powerful stuff. I'm gonna later on I'll do a little video on how I do my fence and stuff like that, and maybe a time lapse or something like that. So till next time, guys, pick this up while you can. This is pretty cheap right now. You saw earlier it was like $130 something. Pick it up if you have any pretty heavy duty projects. So far it hasn't disappointed me yet. I mean, it's pretty cheap, but it seems like it's pretty good quality for the price. Way good quality for the price. Yeah, so next time, guys, link will be in the description. See y'all later.